Welcome to Crypto Pathways. Hey, if you're new to crypto or feeling overwhelmed, you're in the right place. This video is your quick start guide to cryptocurrency. In under 3 minutes, you'll learn how to buy, store, and protect your first crypto safely. On this channel, you'll get fast crypto lessons, market updates, and no-hype trading tips to help you level up. Let's dive in. What is cryptocurrency in simple words? Cryptocurrency is digital money. It's not printed by governments or controlled by banks. Instead, it runs on blockchain technology, a secure, decentralized network. Think of it like this. The Bitcoin is the first and most popular cryptocurrency. Ethereum is used for smart contracts and apps. Thousands of other coins exist, each with different use cases. You don't need to be a techie to understand crypto. What matters is how you use it safely. That's what this channel is all about. How to get started with crypto as a beginner. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Choose a crypto wallet. A crypto wallet is a secure app or device where you keep your coins. It's like your digital bank vault. 2 main types: hot wallets. Apps like Trust Wallet or MetaMask, easy and fast but connected to the internet. Cold wallets. Hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor, safer for long-term storage because they're offline. Step 2. Use a trusted exchange. To buy crypto, you'll need an exchange. Think of it as a place to trade your regular money for digital coins. Popular, beginner-friendly exchanges: Binance, Coinbase, any other small exchanges like MEXC, etc. Create an account, verify your identity, and you can start buying crypto in minutes. Always use official websites or app stores to avoid scams. Top 3 crypto safety tips for new investors. Protecting your crypto is just as important as buying it. Here are 3 rules every beginner should follow. 1. Never share your seed phrase. This is your wallet's master key. If someone gets it, they can take all your crypto. 2. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds a second layer of protection to your accounts. 3. Avoid get-rich-quick scams. No one can double your crypto overnight. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Stay alert and trust your gut. 3 common mistakes new crypto users make. Don't do these. FOMO buying. Don't buy just because a coin is pumping. Always research before investing. Leaving crypto on exchanges. Move your coins to a private wallet. Exchanges can get hacked. Skipping education. Learn before you invest. Subscribe here to stay updated with crypto quick lessons. Final words. That's it. Your crypto foundation in just a few minutes. Now you know what crypto is, how to buy and store it, how to stay safe. If you found this helpful, do 3 quick things. Like this video so more beginners can find it. Subscribe for more quick crypto training and updates. Comment below what you want to learn next: wallets, altcoins, NFTs, or trading tips. Thanks for watching and welcome to the smarter side of crypto.